Hi, good day. Welcome to my channel. It's your one and only Kosi. Today we are going to be looking at what we call a silent killer. You know that in this space we champion discussing about issues of public health concern, issues that affect the general population at large. I don't know if you have heard that word silent killer. Another name that is synonymous to silent killer is high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer, and you must work assiduously to see that this silent killer does not send you to your early grave. I'm going to be discussing some of the warning signs quickly within the few minutes I have. The warning signs of a high blood pressure. So look out for these signs. If you're between the ages of 30 and above, you must look. Even some persons who are less than 30 are already coming down with some of these signs. But you must pay attention. Pay attention to your body. Health is wealth. One of the warning signs of dangerously high blood pressure is a severe and most importantly sudden headache. You're not having headache throughout last week, all of a sudden you're coming down with a sudden severe headache. Your BP must be very high. And again, chest pain. Chest pain, this is a very serious sign of a very high blood pressure. Difficulty breathing. Once your blood pressure is high, you're going to be finding it difficult to breathe. And shortness of breath is associated with difficulty in breathing. Your vision may begin to be blurry. Don't forget that blood vessels that feed your eyes, your lenses, they are very tiny. Once your blood pressure is high, the pressure that comes to the eye, you could be seeing it. You could be feeling it. When you focus on a gaze, you find that there is this vibration that comes with your vision. It shows that your blood pressure is high. Nosebleeds are also one of the symptoms of very high blood pressure. When your blood pressure is high, you could be dizzy. You're not able to maintain your stand. You could be dizzy. You're unsteady. You're feeling lightheaded. That is also one of the warning signs of high blood pressure. This silent killer has sent so many people home. It has sent so many people home, and we must continue to speak about it, create awareness concerning it so that you do not fall a victim or your loved one fall a victim of it. You could be confused. You could be talking to your mother on phone and suddenly she starts to, you were discussing about your sister, for instance, Nkechi did this, Nkechi did that. All of a sudden your mother is talking about Ahia, markets, that bucket. She begins to talk about something entirely different from what you were talking about. Know it that she could have a sudden spike in her blood pressure. Another thing again is buzzing in the ear. When your blood pressure is high, you're rested quietly, you could be hearing that whooshy sound in your ear, like there is a very high speed movement of fluid. That is a warning sign of a high blood pressure. And then finally, on this issue, when you find blood in your urine, your kidney is also one of the things that high blood pressure affects. So when you find blood stains in your urine, it is also a warning sign of a high blood pressure. And the high blood pressure does not delay in destroying your kidneys. Two things you need to do today. You need to report yourself to a medical center and have them establish that you're a high blood pressure patient. You have to get a blood monitor, a high blood pressure monitor, and have it by your bedside so that you can watch or monitor the reading of your high blood pressure daily. Secondly, you must have high blood pressure medication by your bedside always. Once you see the signs coming, you pop your medication. Some parents are still alive today because they have a constant supply of high blood pressure medication. I hope I'm able to educate you today. I hope you've learned something. If you're coming across this video for the first time, Please leave a comment. You can like my video, share my video. You can follow me as well. And thank you so much for listening. Have a lovely day. Bye.